guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share how I pack for the 1 week of travel. So starting off by deciding what type of clothes I'll be wearing and create a mini capsule wardrobe of the clothing which I can mix and match well during the travel. And due to that, I ended packing a lot of neutral colors, and what I love about it is just that it gives me a lot of flexibility to choose, and I do not need to wear the same outfit over and over again. So once I laid everything out, I will start to fold the clothes into cubes and into the brick shape, and I find that it works really well because I could see my clothes easily, and it also helps to reduce the wrinkles without needing to worry much about ironing, steaming, and things like that. As I finish folding the tops, usually I will put them directly in the suitcase. One good thing about the folding method is not only prevent wrinkles, but it also makes the clothing to be stand out by themselves. Even though if you are taking few of the clothes off, it will still look organized and neat inside. Since it's a 1 week travel, the suitcase can become a little bit messy. This is actually an easy trip to packing because we only experience summer in our country. And because of that, I could just pack any clothes and items I want to bring along together during the travel. So on the trip, I brought 1 jeans jacket, 3 long sleeves cardigan, 1 turtleneck top, 1 tube, a singlet, a jumpsuit, a pair of short pants, a dress, and 1 long jeans. All of these clothing fits nicely on half of the suitcase. After that, I start packing my undergarments. So I'm bringing a pair of swimsuits, 8 bras and 10 undies with me together. So next, I'll bring in my sneakers from H&M and a pair of slippers that will be practical to walking around, especially when there is a lot of sightseeing to do. Then I stuff them into a big bag. So for the toiletries, I'm bringing my makeup bag, and also I will be bringing all of my lipsticks along, and a body lotion, and also not forgetting the comb. And usually I will keep all the lipsticks in the coach pouch as it is easier and convenient to bring along with me anywhere I go. Then I pack everything inside, and it just fits just fine and nicely in there. On top of that, I will pick up some of the best shades and my favorites one, which I want to bring along together. Then after that, I just store everything in this transparent pink bag. Then I start putting the liquids which I will be bringing: the serum, the moisturizer, the sunblock, the oil boost, Vaseline, toothpaste, and some perfume. Then I organize all of these bottles in the box. I like keeping them in the box because it helps to protect the products and also avoid from getting the items to be damaged, and it is also a preventive measure. As for the jewelry, I bought a few different combinations of earrings that will match with the clothing I'm bringing along, and I find that it's really a nice touch to add the jewelry to the collection. Then I stuff all of them into this transparent box, as it is easy to carry along and it will not get lost so easily too. Next, I also will lay out the laptop accessories which I would like to pack in, and I place them into this transparent piece so it's easy to find them, as this is also one of the most important items to be with me all the time. After that, I laid all of the bundles, the boxes and the bags on the bed to get them organized. Yeah, and also so I can also start packing the other side of the bag, and I'm adding on some snacks, a bottle of wine and the hairband, the eye mask, and also a spare of a face mask, chewing gum. With everything laid in front of me, I start putting all the items into the luggage piece by piece. I find it that it's just like solving a jigsaw puzzle to see which piece fits with which one perfectly and plays nicely together. So once everything is good to go, then I zip up my suitcase and I put it aside so I can also start begin packing on my backpack. This backpack is with me all the time. So to start off, I'm sliding my MacBook in, and then I pretty much put everything which I needed in this backpack, like my wallet, the lotion, pouch, snacks, sunglasses, and all of these small little items. Then I shift to the smaller compartment and insert my accessories into it. These are really helpful to me, especially when I will be using my laptop all the time. So my backpack is ready, so I just put it beside my suitcase together. Right next to it, I put my handbag and also the umbrella, just in case of it's raining suddenly, as the weather sometimes is unpredictable. Okay, so that's all for now. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like to see more of my adventures, remember to subscribe, like and comment below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye!